here's how you can set a wallpaper in a full screen on your Android. Let me show you how it works and explain the process. If it's your first time in here, subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so you can see that you have the ability to get inside of your settings as usual, right? And you can proceed to the stuff where you can manage this thing, right? So we have the wallpaper and the style. You can get inside and you can change the wallpaper. So when you click on this like that, you can see we have a couple of featured options, but you can go to the gallery as well. And let's say that I'm going to go to the gallery like this. You can see that I can select any picture that I want and hit it done, right? And the whole point is that it heavily depends on the picture. If the picture is a square or a landscape and you want to make it fit to your vertical wallpaper, it will definitely be zoomed in, right? And if you don't want this to be the case, you have to kind of like edit the image to make it to the like vertical format. There are professional apps for it. For example, if you have the Photoshop experience, you can set up a new project where you put photos together into this like vertical format and you can stretch it out or make it look however you want. But there are even simpler options, for example like Canva, where you can just get at the app and start a new project where you pick a vertical image and you will basically import the picture. And the whole point is that we are working with a vertical image and you can fit your picture into the frame as much as you like. You don't have to stretch it or anything like that. I mean, you can, you don't have to. And that is the thing which you probably wanted to do. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. I really hope that if there is something specific, you will let me know about it below so I can make an updated video about it. But I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to see you later in the next videos as well.